Hi, this is the demo of assignment 8, 6310, Group 5. My name is K. Richaporia. I'll be talking about the design document, and my team members will be talking about other parts of the application. Basically, this is the design document created for overall, it's a solution design document, talks about the application, architecture, design documents. So I'll quickly jump over to introduction. It's course management system intended to be used by admission administrators for instructor assignment. We have a UI interface which is designed using Java Swing. We are using SQLite database to capture snapshot of the application, and we are using Reka for the predictive analysis, which will help the administrators with instructor assignment. The team members are Andrew Engoyar, Hasti Gabel, Keyur, which is me, and Velap Nayak. We have different components, 7 course request, instructor, student, records, data mining. All the components are displayed here for reference purposes only. We have submitted individual component diagram, sequence diagram, and UML diagram as part of the design documents. We have 7 tables, course, assignment, instructors, records, request, student, and metadata. And below is the reference only UML diagram and the sequence diagram. These are a couple of screenshots from a MacBook on displaying how the system looks like. We have different buttons, initiate, resume, which my team members will be talking in further detail. I'll quickly go over to my virtual machine, which I have uploaded to my Google Drive, and the link will be shared on T-Square. Okay, I'm going to run the tool from and prompt.
What's on we at right now?
And upon initiate, it will load the records file, and it will show the Reka analysis, which my team member will explain in further details, passing over the control to Andrew. Andrew, you may accept the control now.
This is the Weka tool that we use for our data mining portion. And these are the displayed association rules. The rules, the attributes that we use to create these rules are instructors and course. And for each one of those, we have those attributes as either taken or not taken. And we also use the grades, and we took the grade from the record and use that for to create the association rules for this algorithm. And now pass the control over.
Hi, my name is Hasti Gabel. I will continue talk about the functionality of our application. So now we are in semester 1, and we can go ahead look at the instructors that we have. So we click on the display button, and it shows the selected and unselected assignments. So here on the left side, we have the line numbers. This column is the instructor ID. This column is the course ID, and the last column is the capacity for each course. So now we can hire instructors by choosing the line number. So I click 0, I add it, and it says it's added, the instructor is selected. If I click on display button, it shows under, shows under the selected one. Then I can go ahead and select this one, which it has the same instructor ID, which is 3. So when I do that, the system will not allow me to select that instructor because it was already selected. So if you click on display button, we see it's not selected. And we have also another restriction that we cannot hire instructors more than 5. So go ahead and add 5 instructors and see how the system does that. Or add it. So now if you click on the display button, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have 5 instructors. If I click on another one, for example, if I choose line number 6 and click on add, the system doesn't let me to choose that line. We also have the option to delete. So I can, for example, delete this line that we already selected. So I click on 0, delete, and then it's delete the instructor, that line, and then I click on display. We see that it is removed from selected one. So now we're done with the selection and hiring instructors for this semester. So we click on submit button, and then the system shows the request and the statistics, and also shows the records. Now, Mila, my teammate, will go through the next part of the application.
Sure. Can someone give me the, okay. Hi, I am Neil Mike. I'm here to show you the rest of the functionality. So as you can see, the program now shows the prompt continue simulation, yes or no. The yes or no buttons are now clickable, whereas they were not clickable before. So let's go ahead and try to click yes to continue the simulation. So when the simulation is resumed or continued, the program does an analysis of previous course selections. As you can see, the work is done on the updated records, and the instructor selections begins for semester 2, which is the next semester from the previous cycle. So you can hit display. You can see the new available assignments. We can quickly just add 0, display, and that is selected. We'll go ahead and submit that semester selection. And for semester 2, the requested process, there's one valid request, which can be shown here in the semester statistics. The semester statistics are accurate for this semester, as well as the total statistics are now updated, including this semester's and last semester's. So now the updated academic records are shown and the waitlisted requests are shown. The simulation is then prompted to continue yet again. So this time we can go ahead and try clicking no. As you can see, the program is halted and exited. Now, at this point, we can go ahead and restart the program. And you can now successfully click resume since we initiated the program last cycle, or the first cycle. Now, the work is done on the updated records. The data persistence carries over all the data, and the cycle is now 3, and roster selection is created. At any point throughout the system, we can go ahead and exit the program. And that will also halt the program and is able to be resumed at a later point. That is all that I believe, that those are all the functions that our system can do. Thank you for